Let's create something cool. Pick a shape tool, choose from the rectangle, ellipse, polygon, etc. Step 2, draw shape. Click drag to create shape in your document. Step 3, customize. Use the properties panel to change fill stroke size. Step 4, arrange, combine. Move shape, overlap them or your Boolean proper operation. Onion subtract etc. Ideas create a logo with determination. Geometric shape design a simple illustration.